Coming to the question whether, on the basis of a solitary evidence, conviction can be maintained, a bare reference to Section 134 of the Evidence Act 1872 bracket in short the Evidence Act bracket close would suffice. The provision clearly states that no particular number of witnesses is required to establish the case. Conviction can be based on the testimony of a single witness if he is wholly reliable. Corroboration may be necessary when he is only partially reliable. If the evidence is unblemished and beyond all possible criticism, and the court is satisfied that the witness was speaking the truth, then on his evidence alone conviction can be maintained. The fourth exception of Section 300 IPC covers acts done in a sudden fight. The said exception deals with a case of prosecution not covered by the first exception, after which its place would have been more appropriate. The exception is found upon the same principle, for in both there is absence of premeditation. But while in the case of exception 1, there is total deprivation of self-control, in case of exception 4, there is only that heat of passion which clouds men's sober reasons and urges them to deeds which they would not do otherwise. There is provocation in exception 4 as in exception 1, but the injury done is not the direct consequence of that provocation. In fact, exception 4 deals with cases in which, notwithstanding that a blow may have been struck or some provocation given in the origin of the dispute, or in whatever way the quarrel may be originated, yet the subsequent conduct of both parties puts them in respect of guilt upon equal footing. A sudden fight implies mutual provocation and blows on each side. The homicide committed is then clearly not traceable to unilateral provocation, nor in such cases could the whole blame be placed on one side. For if it were so, the exception more appropriately applicable would be exception 1. There is no previous deliberation or determination to fight. A fight suddenly takes place for which both parties are more or less to be blamed. It may be that one of them starts it, but if the other had not aggravated it by his own conduct, it would not have taken the serious turn in it did. There is then mutual provocation and aggravation, and it is difficult to apportion the share of blame which attacks to each fighter. The help of exception 4 can be invoked if death is caused without premeditation in a sudden fight, without the offenders having taken undue advantage or acted in a cruel or unusual manner, and the fight must have been with the person killed. To bring a case within exception 4, all the ingredients mentioned in its must be found. It is to be noted that the fight occurring in exception 4 to section 300 IPC is not defined in the IPC. It takes two to make a fight. Heat of passion requires that there must be no time for the passions to cool down, and in this case the parties have worked themselves into a fury on account of the verbal altercation in the beginning. A fight is a combat between two and more persons, whether with or without weapons. It is not possible to enunciate any general rule as to what shall be deemed to be a sudden quarrel. It is a question of fact, and whether a quarrel is sudden or not must necessarily depend upon the proved facts of each case. For the application of exception 4, it is not sufficient to show that there was a sudden quarrel and there was no premeditation. It must further be shown that the offender has not taken undue advantage or acted in a cruel or unusual manner. Stop.